little programmer students of Egypt and Arab world. Now let's continue our mini project. Okay, so now till now we created the heading for the restaurant web page. Now we will add the images for that. Okay, so let's begin. Div, will create a div and the class is gallery. Okay, and I'm doing some styling for the class. So style margin top 55%. Okay, because here you can see that I'm not applying these images exactly at there, or else I'll remove this so that you will understand why to apply the margin. Okay, now so a href is equals to I need to add the image. So already I have some images in my folder, so image1.jpg. all right, and close this tag, and then image img. So source file we have to display where exactly the source file is, image1.jpg. all right, and I want the width of the image should be around 600. Okay, and height we have to mention is equals to 400. So just close this part and also close the anchor tag. And if you want to display something in the image, you can display the description, or else no need of it. Okay, close the div element also. Now I'm just copying this part. Okay, copy this and paste it. How many images you want, you can. All right, so now let's only change the name of the image. So image, next image I have, that is 11th image. Only some selected images I have chosen. You can choose whichever images you want. So 10th image. Okay, and next I have chosen the 17th image. Okay, yeah, and then I have chosen here some 6th image. Okay, and this is also 6th image. Last one, that is 18th image. 18.gif. 18.gif. Save this part and next let's move. Yeah, so just a minute. gif. Okay, done. Let's get in, check it out. Yeah, so you can see here all the images are just displaying one below the other, right? So now we need to add the styling for the image. You can see, you saw that the images are loading like that, so displaying like that, so we have to apply the style, right? So what I do is style here. So style margin top. Okay, margin top of 50%. all right, so now this I'm just copying this and pasting for all the classes which are named as a gallery. So let's copy and paste here. Yeah, save this and see, still we have to do the styling, so it won't be applied like that. Okay, yeah, you can see here it is applying like this, right? So now what we have to do is we need to do the styling for the images. Okay, so for that, what we are doing here, let's go to the styling. Okay, yeah, style. Here I'm applying the style div.gallery. So let's apply the margin 5 pixel. Everything it is taking auto, so we have to fix that. So border, I'm applying here 1 pixel solid. So color CCC, and then float left, and width 180 pixel, and then opacity I just want to apply 0.8. Okay, next we need to write the styling for the hover part, and also we need to apply the content. Okay, yeah, sorry, not the content. We need to apply the hover for the images. So let's apply the hover for the images. div.gallery hover. Okay, now border I want to apply here. So border, that is some 3 pixel is enough, solid, and it should be 777. Okay, and opacity 1. all right, and then after that what we have to do is we need to add the designing. So we need to add the styling for the images. Okay, so for the images it should be width, the styling should be width 100%, and then height auto. You can fix the height also if you want. Then I'm just using here div. Okay, I'm not using that description content. Let's do this much and go to the web page and refresh. Yes, you can see here 50% is also just overlapping with the main image, right? So what we have to do is let's give it as a 55% and see, right? Save this, check it out. Yeah, right? So images also we have added here. So overall the web page is ready now. So already what all we have done here, we just applied image to the web page, and we have created the navigation bar, and we created the elements for the navigation bar, and then we have created the drop down menu for the navigation bar. One of the content, only for one content I am using the drop down menu. If you want to create the drop down menus for all the elements, you can create it like how I already taught you guys. Okay, and then we just created the heading for the web page and a subtitle for it, and how to apply the box for your heading, and then we saw how to add the image gallery with hover effect, right? Thank you so much.